intro.
So we are back at the video again.
And it is
the
lit.
same place, and the fire has actually lit.
Because as you saw earlier, it wasn't that quite lit, was it?
No, it was not. So now it is apparently
over there's
lit.
the fireworks.
And over there you can see the pitch black darkness over there slightly.
James will do some editing for this.
Is the fireworks, and this fire's got on bright house.
Yes.
And I don't know how to edit.
And our glow stickers right there.
So I'm going to leave it to you to edit, Joe.
Yeah, our glow stickers right.
As you can see, this little orange thing here, it's our glow stick we were messing around with, but now we can't get it. Oh no, what we're going to do? So yeah. After I filmed this, I'm going to literally point my camera and make another video about the fire site exploding in the air.
Yeah. Let's make this one 10 minutes.
And
I'll tell you in 20.
Yeah, so after we watch the fireworks, we're gonna probably more likely to walk over there and see what's going off over there.
We're probably gonna go on one of those rides.
And yeah, and we might get food as well, to be honest.
No, we won't be able
No,
to
actually, no. Oh yeah, I forgot how far I
Oh,
And-
behind us. We won't be able to have enough of food.
No, yeah, no,
So we're gonna go on the ride, yeah?
yeah. This fire's burning, boy. We lit fire, lit.
It is lit from the heavens.
The fire has been witnessed, it has been lit. Welcome to bonfire night, I guess.
Bonfire night is in 2 days, but oh well, still counts.
Exactly.
I can feel it a little bit. So
Right.
every now and then.
Oh, this fire's
Hey guys.
Yeah. Got Joe in the background. It's Joe.
Yeah. Jeez, it's getting brighter now.
Jeez, how it's getting like bigger now, that is. So
I've got an
yeah,
idea.
I'm gonna make another video.
Wait, don't end it yet.
Actually, no, I'm not gonna end it.
I'm going to start my vlog.
Okay. So Joe's gonna start his vlog. His channel's called Joe Partner.
Yeah.
Because some people might like to name their vlog videos after their names.
Yeah.
So pretty much this is bonfire night, yo.
James, hold my phone for a minute.
Okay. So I'm gonna make this 10 minutes long because why not?
Good.
And
What the hell?
yeah, so this is gonna be a 10-minute long video because this is the special night of Skyfox, which is what I've been running about at school. Yo, that fire just got bigger and bigger by the second, boy. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, you can literally just like,
Hey guys,
I think.
welcome back to Joe.
Oh my god, you can actually see the fireworks now.
And today,
Oh my god. That is awesome, look. They're the fireworks that we're going to be watching going off in the air. They're going to go kaboom right in the air. And
I'm just going to try and turn my brightness down. Sorry about that, guys.
pretty much
Very bright.
this is,
Yeah,
this is pretty much what I do. I come out here at night to do bonfire.
Here's James.
Hi guys.
As you can see.
Make sure you click the like button and comment and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah,
Because this is going to be a special channel video that I'm doing right now. So It'd been appreciated nice if you
Yeah, bro.
sub to my channel.
Come here, bro. It's Dan. Go and check out his channel. It's called It's Dan.
What phone have you got?
My phone.
No, him.
iPhone 7.
He's one off his phone.
The recording thing has changed.
Yeah.
That button thing.
Mm.
Used to just be a red sign.
Yeah, it's changed now.
It's
So. Yeah, we have the power of warmness just warming up. We
yeah, it's
have,
actually warming up now, so. Yeah.
have the power to stand outside,
Back
to
in
be
the
in the
day.
warmness. So,
Daniel can edit this for me, so yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna get Joe or Daniel to edit my video for me.
James. Alright, we're back. I'll just turn my camera around so you can see James.
Hi guys.
Hey, yeah. There's the fire. Burn bright.
Okay. From the first video I was filming this, the fire wasn't bright it was before, but now it has. So, pretty much, this is,
I'm going to turn you back round.
this is how people start their fireworks and bonfire nights.
I'm going to turn back round.
So basically,
So you can see the,
they start the fire, which is a bonfire, and then over there, I think you can see now, just slightly, I think you can see those fireworks, I think, yeah,
James,
okay,
I'm going to end it now.
and
Thanks for watching this part of the video, and we'll see you in the next chapter.
I'm going to end this video now because I think my phone might be full on storage, so I'm going to see you guys on my next chapter. Till then, goodbye and subscribe.